Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito mag-resonate sa lahat. Dahil hindi ko naman talaga makuha lahat ng energy ng Earth Sign sa mundo. So, hopefully, makuha ko yung sayo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, pakisearch nyo lang siya sa Facebook. Friend ko yun, guys. Open siya sa personal reading. And please do search Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan, search mo siya sa TikTok. Ano ko yun, guys? TikTok. And doon ako live ng personal reading, and also yung aking YouTube na Madam P Vlogs. Yan. Diyan sa mga nabanggit ko lang ako magla-live. So, please do check it out. Okay, so let's start. This is for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The World is here. The Magician and the Three of Swords. Wow. King of Cups. So, I feel like for now, meron kang mga improvements na naman na ginagawa sa sarili mo, no? Pagdating sa love, I feel like there's someone na minamahal mo dito with the King of Cups, but maybe with the Three of Swords, medyo nagiging masakit lang yung connection ninyo ng person na ito because with the world, nagkakaroon ng distance sa inyong dalawa nitong person na ito. But, for now, you are trying to complete yourself or nakikita naman natin na kompleto ka naman na. Maybe kinokompleto mo ang sarili mo sa mga knowledge, sa mga goals na gusto mo munang ma-achieve sa buhay mo with the Magician. And with regards to this person that you love, maybe I can see a stagnant energy with the Seven of Pentacles. So, walang movement, walang improvement sa connection ninyo. But I can see you being happy with the sun. So, parang okay lang naman kahit wala siya. Oo, masakit na wala siya. Pero at least, itong pagkawala niya, ito yung way or ito yung time na kailangan i-improve ko muna yung sarili ko. So, this is what you're doing right now. You're trying to improve yourself. Now, let's move on and focus naman dun sa person na kakonect mo. Okay. Person na connect naman ni Earth Sign. Medyo maluma na yung card na gagamitin ko, but I do love this card. So, medyo pagpasensyaan mo na kung medyo nahirapan ako i-shuffle, person nakakonect ni Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Person nakakonect ni Earth Sign. You do have here the Seven of Swords. Person nakakonect ni Earth Sign. Okay, you do have here the Nine of Swords at the bottom of the deck. And the Eight of Cups is here, and the Eight of Wands. Actually, this person is walking away sa connection ninyo dalawa, pero nasasaktan siya, nalulungkot siya. You know why? With the Nine of Swords, you know why? Kung bakit siya nalulungkot, nasasaktan? Because he or she feels like you are his or her soulmate. So, ramdam niya na ikaw yung soulmate niya. Pareho kayong may King of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Okay? Pakiramdam niya ikaw yung soulmate niya pero wala ka na. So, ano na? Kahit sinong iharap sa akin ngayon, hindi ko naman sila magustuhan dahil alam kong ikaw ang soulmate ko. Ikaw yung talagang para sa akin. With the Nine of Swords. Alam niya na person mo. Because why? Napapanaginipan ka niya. Simple as that. Wala siyang, maybe may mga napapanaginipan din siyang iba, pero iba yung feeling nararamdaman niya pagkagising niya pag ikaw yung napanaginipan niya. The Eight of Cups is here. This person has a lot of emotions na nararamdaman sa'yo, but with the Seven of Swords, may mga nagsasabi sa kanya na hindi, itigil mo na yan, layuan mo yan, hindi yan pwede. Okay? This Seven of Swords is walking away from you dahil sa sinabi na rin nitong mga tao, maybe family or friends na nasa paligid niya. Na sinasabing layuan mo siya. Okay? So, maybe because with the Three of Swords, I don't know if you are in another relationship. Hindi natin masabi, pero for some of you, ganoon ang sitwasyon. So, ano yung mga nasa isip at emotions ninyong dalawa ng person na ito? Ano yung mga nasa isip at emotions nitong taong ito sa'yo? Ay, sorry. Ikaw muna, no? Magsimula tayo sa side mo. Nasa isip at emotions mo towards this person. You love your healing heart. Okay. Currently, you're healing from the pain. You do have hand of cards, so pwedeng marami kang choices. Or meron kang choices. The heartbroken is yours. So, nasasaktan ka dito sa person na to. I feel like ino-open mo naman ang sarili mo sa kanya, or you're welcoming this love, this person. Pero, because, alam mo yun, ramdam mo rin sa sarili mo na there's perfect connection sa inyong dalawa eh. Parang pakiramdam mo siya yung perfect for you. And that you want to open your life, your life and your heart towards this person. Gusto mo ring i-open ang sarili mo sa kanya. Minsan ka na rin naging obsessed sa taon to. And you know that, alam mo yun, because maybe you're trying to get out of something. Maybe in the past, kung meron kang ibang kakonect dito, I feel like hindi naging okay yung connection ninyo in the past na nagiging dahilan para i-open mo ang sarili mo dito sa person na ito. Lalo na in the past, nakakita tayo ng communication and connection sa inyo. So, tell me about this person's emotions and thoughts towards you. Ano naman ang nasa isip niya at emotion niya patungkol sa'yo. Spirit guides, angel guides, for earth sign please. For earth sign please. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Nasa isip at emotion itong taong ito patungkol sa'yo. You do have here the Phoenix, Coffee Cup, Kisses. So, ayan, nakikita natin, mahal ka talaga na itong person na ito eh. And with the Coffee Cup, I feel like medyo mainit lang yung connection ninyong dalawa ngayon dahil nga, possible na medyo magulo, medyo mahirap. And I feel like with the Phoenix, gusto niya muna ng transformation or pagbabago. So, yun din yung nasa isip niya. Na gusto niya muna ng pagbabago sa connection or sa lalo na kung may third party. Like, ayokong pumasok sa buhay mo na mainit pa kayo with the coffee cup. Na mainit pa kayo ng other person na yan. Ayoko nang papasok ako sa buhay mo, sasabihin ko sa'yo lahat ng nararamdaman ko na ang ending ako lang masasaktan. Katulad nga ng isang kape, yun yung parang words na gusto niyang sabihin. 'Di ba? Gustong-gusto niyang higupin or gustong-gusto kanyang kumbaga parang ikaw yung coffee dito, no? Parang gusto kanyang higupin, gusto niyang makuha ka or sabihin na natin ganon, sexually matikman ka. Pero mainit eh. Okay, pag hinigop ka niya na nandiyan pa yung isa na mainit pa, ay hindi pwede dahil siya lang ang masasaktan. Okay, yung paghigop, yun din yung way ng pagsabi niya ng everything sa'yo. Ng lahat-lahat ng nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. Pag ginawa niya yun, pag sinabi niya yun sa'yo, ang ending siya lang ang masasaktan. Mapapaso lang yung dila niya. Mababaliwala lang yung mga sinabi niya. So, ang totoo niyan, with the Phoenix, gusto niya munang mabago. Okay? And the Phoenix here, I don't know, it's so weird. Nakikita ko siya ngayon as like parang tandang. And yung tandang is like, maririnig mo yon sa umaga, 'di ba? Pag magigising ng tao. Hindi ko alam kung makaka-relate ka dito, pero ito yung mga images na nakikita ko ngayon. Try ko explain sa'yo. But anyway, yun nga. And yung tandang is like a new beginning. No? Morning, 'di ba? Nasa umaga siya, so bagong umaga, bagong pag-asa. And that is pertaining to a new beginning. Okay? At yun sa new beginning na yun na dyan na yung pagpasok nitong kape. Masarap ang kape sa umaga. So, anong ibig sabihin noon? Ibig sabihin, itong person na ito, pag fresh na yung sitwasyon, pag wala ng gulo, no? Tsaka siya magiging ready na i-open ang lahat sa'yo pag nandito na sa new beginning. Pag sinabi natin new beginning, wala na itong problema mo din dito sa past person na kakonect mo. Okay? This could be your twin flame with a mirror. And Medyo mahirap yung connection ninyo. Anyway, what will happen in the future for the both of you? What will happen in the near future for the both of you? For Earth sign, please. Kunin ko na rin guys yung card na gagamitin ko dito sa side niya. Wait lang guys ha, medyo nahirapan lang ako shuffle kasi medyo luma na yung card ko na ito. Pero I do love the message here. So, hindi ko siya, kumbaga hindi ko pa siya pinapalitan. We do over the Tower, the Lovers, the King of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. Clarify the King of Cups and the King of Pentacles, please. Okay. We do over the Six of Wands at the bottom of the deck. Tapos meron tayo ditong Queen of Wands. Okay. Dito naman sa side mo, you do have here the Two of Cups, the Eight of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. Kukunin ko na rin yung mga cards na gagamitin ko sa deck na ito, ha? Bago ko sabihin yung sa future. You do over not enough. The Grim Reaper. Bottom of the deck is the karmic relationship. Passion is here. Bottom of the deck, I like you. And you do have here the sunglasses. So, actually, in the near future, this is the relationship with the Two of Cups na involved ka. Which is with the karmic relationship. Yan. I feel like you will still be dealing with the karmic relationship in the near future. Pagdating dito kay Twin Flame, yeah, this is your Twin Flame, this person. Nakikita natin na more on material things muna and success muna ang nasa focus ninyo, mainly money ang pinagfo-focusan dito. And with regarding with the Phoenix, and the Phoenix is, na-explain ko naman kanina, it's regarding the transformation, bagong chance sana sa inyo ng person na ito, medyo nagiging malabo pa with the Axe. I can see separation, breakup, and separation sa inyo nitong person na ito. The separation is here. And I feel like mas magfo-focus muna kayo sa mga kanya-kanyang sarili ninyo with the self-indulgence. You see that? Focus on self-worth. Okay? And I feel like maaaring maramdaman mo yung feeling na parang wala na kaming chance nitong taong to nitong Twin Flame na ito And I can see a lot of frustration or inis or yamot kasi hindi siya nagte-take ng actions. And sabi ko nga sa'yo, paano siya magte-take ng actions with the Eight of Swords if you are still stuck sa connection or relationship mo with the Three of Swords? And with the Seven of Pentacles, nakikita natin that there's a stagnant or walang kagalaw-galaw sa connection ninyo nitong Twin Flame mo because actually with the Ten of Cups, you are already complete. You are still happy though doon sa connection or communication mo with the person na stuck ka. Nakakita tayo ng happiness and contentment dito. So, okay lang din naman. Kaya lang pagdating sa communication at connection mo with this Twin Flame, medyo nagiging malabo dito. And I feel like with the Tower, yeah, there's an ending between the two of you with the Lovers. Nagkakaroon ng ending sa connection niyo ng person na ito, pero nandun pa rin yung pagmamahal niya. With the Passion and with the Sunglasses, I feel like this person is tinatry niyang magtanggal ng focus, huwag kang pansinin, huwag niyang tignan yung stories or yung Facebook mo, yung whatever social media account you have. And nakikita natin, tinatry niyang wag tingnan yon. Pero I feel like this person is still watching you, stalking, no? Yung baga parang alerto pa rin siya na just in case matapos yung communication or yung connection mo with this Three of Swords is nandyan siya. With the King of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the Queen of Wands, yung person mo dito lumalabas siya as the Queen of Wands. And I can feel like makikipag-flirt or connect siya with the King of Pentacles and the King of Cups. These are like other people na nagpapakita ng interest sa kanya. But your Queen of Wands, nagpapakita lang siya ng flirt energy or happy energy. Nakakonect niya si King of Pentacles by the King of Cups and the King of Cups. Pero kung makikita mo yung isang kamay ni Queen of Wands, it's still holding on, and this is you. This person is still holding on to you. Okay, sa'yo pa rin siya hindi pa rin siya bumibitaw. Sa'yo pa rin siya kumbaga yung pagmamahal niya at emotion niya na sa'yo. Nakikipag-connect, nakikipag-flirt lang siya sa iba, pero hindi ibig sabihin na nakalimutan ka na niya. Okay, this person is still holding on to you. Yung emotion niya na sa'yo pa rin. And I feel like you need to take a risk dito sa connection nito. With the Fool, you see this is your bottom of the deck with the Fool. And alam mo kung ano yung sumunod kay the Fool sa bottom of the deck. This is the Queen of Wands. Yan, kung titignan mo yan, the Fool, it's like nasa edge siya, nandito siya sa mountain. And kung tatalon siya, kung magte-take siya ng risk, yung pagtalon dito is yung pag-take ng risk mo. This is your card. Yung kung magte-take ka ng risk dito, maaaring mapunta ka kay Queen of Wands. Kasi honestly, si Queen of Wands naghihintay lang. Nandiyan lang siya. Okay? Hindi lang siya nagte-take ng actions kasi, sabi ko nga, bawal ka pa. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye. Hopefully, nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka dito sa ating reading. Sana ay nakuha mo yung mga messages para sa'yo. Sana ay nakuha mo rin yung advice for you. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.